Hello everyone, welcome back to Stoic Wisdom Today. Let's face it, criticism stings, even if it's polite, even if it's helpful, even if it's true. It pokes our ego, it shakes our confidence, it whispers, "You're not enough." But the Stoics saw criticism differently, not as a threat, but as a tool, a mirror, a teacher. Today we explore how to handle criticism like a Stoic, with strength, clarity, and even gratitude. Let's begin. Part 1. Why criticism hurts so much. Because deep down we want to be accepted, respected, admired, untouched. Criticism challenges that image. It says, "You're flawed, you missed something, you could be better." And the ego hates that. But the Stoics remind us, you are not your reputation. You are not what people think. You are what you do. Part 2. What Stoicism teaches about criticism. Epictetus said, "If evil is spoken of you and it's true, correct yourself. If it's a lie, laugh at it." In one sentence, he gives us both paths. 1. If the criticism is true, be humble, grow. 2. If it's false, don't let it disturb your peace. Criticism is only poison if your ego drinks it. Part 3. The Stoic approach to criticism. 3 key shifts. 1. Shift from emotion to examination. Don't react, reflect. When someone criticizes you, pause, breathe. Ask, is this true? Is there something useful here? How would a wise person respond? That space between reaction and response? That's where Stoicism lives. 2. Separate the message from the messenger. Maybe the person said it rudely. Maybe they dislike you. Maybe they were angry. Still, is the core of what they said useful? Stoicism doesn't teach blind acceptance, but it teaches this. Don't let your dislike of the person blind you to the truth in their words. Truth wears many costumes. Wisdom sees through them. 3. Use criticism as a mirror, not a wall. God. Don't block it. Look at it. Ask, what is this revealing about me? Have I heard this feedback before? What does this touch inside me that still needs healing? Criticism can expose both our blind spots and our unhealed places. That's not shameful. That's an opportunity. Part 4. Stoic tools to handle criticism gracefully. 1. Mental reframing. Instead of, "They attacked me," say, "They offered perspective." Instead of, "This ruins my confidence," say, "This helps sharpen my clarity." 2. Journaling reflection. Each evening ask, what feedback did I receive today? How did I react? What part of me felt triggered? What's one thing I can improve tomorrow, not because they said so, but because I choose to grow? Over time, this reflection makes your skin thicker and your soul softer. 3. Gratitude for correction. Seneca wrote, "He who is unwilling to be corrected is unwilling to grow." So when someone points out a flaw, thank them inwardly, use it as fuel. Become untouchable, not because you're perfect, but because you keep improving. That's quiet power. Part 5. Not all criticism deserves your energy. Let's be clear. Some feedback is helpful, some is just noise. You don't have to accept every opinion. The Stoic asks, is this person virtuous? Is their intention sincere? Are they offering insight or seeking to harm? If not, let it pass. Not in anger, in indifference. As Marcus Aurelius said, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength. Part 6. How to criticize others like a Stoic. This matters too. When you give feedback, aim to uplift, not embarrass. Focus on action, not identity. Speak with kindness, not ego. Ask yourself, am I trying to help or trying to win? A Stoic corrects with compassion, because their goal isn't dominance, it's improvement. Part 7. Quotes to anchor you through criticism. If someone does wrong, it is their problem, not yours. Marcus Aurelius. Any person capable of angering you becomes your master. Epictetus. Associate with those who will make a better man of you. Seneca. Criticism doesn't define you. Your response to it does. Part 8. What criticism can teach you, if you let it. Emotional maturity, detachment from ego, humility to grow, courage to stay calm, resilience to face imperfection. Criticism isn't comfortable, but comfort never built character. Conclusion. Listen, learn, let go. So next time you're criticized, do this. Pause, listen fully. Extract the lesson, if there is one. Let go of the tone, let go of the ego, and return to your path, steady and unmoved. Because what they say about you is never more important than how you live. Thank you for watching Stoic Wisdom Today. If this video helped you face feedback with more calm and clarity, like, subscribe, and share it with someone still hurt by words they didn't deserve. Until next time, stay grounded, stay wise, and stay stoic.